Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study social science class 10 chapter 10 India agriculture. Which of the following farming types has the lowest per hectare production zoom cultivation? In which of the following farming types the chemical fertilizers and insecticides are not used? Organic farming. Which state produces maximum groundnut? Gujarat. From what is the chocolate made from? Cocoa. In the production of which of the following condiments is Gujarat first? Isabgol. Which of the following pulses is a rabi crop? Gram. Crops and other farm products hold about 18% contribution in export, also which earns huge foreign exchange. The place where agricultural universities are established, one is not included among these places. Dehradun. Identify me questions. I am considered as main source of protein. Pulses. I am considered as king of grains. Wheat. I am known as Bauta in Gujarati. Nagli. I am considered as an important oilseed crop of North India. Mustard. I am known as Kharif and Rabi crop both. Jowar. I am known as granaries of wheat. Punjab. I am known as flavored crop, menthol. I am known as grass food crop, marvel. I am known as plant of torrid as well as temperate zone, tea. I am considered as an important kharif grain, maize. Agrarian country, India. Zoom cultivation, shifting agriculture. Wet farming, moist farming. Intensive farming, commercial farming, organic farming, live farming, Punjab, granaries of wheat, Jowar, Kharif and Rabi crop, sesame and millet, Banaskantha, mustard is a Rabi crop, coconut garden is in Andaman and Nicobar, castor seed is a Kharif and Rabi crop, torrid and temperate zone plant is tea. Kheda district is known as Charotar region. Cocoa is a drink. Pulses is a main source of protein. DAP is diammonia phosphate. NPK is nitrogen, phosphorus and potash. Dantewada is an agricultural university. To increase agricultural products, green revolution. GDP is a gross domestic product. West Bengal, Ganga River Delta region. Sugarcane crop, ethanol. White gold, cotton produced in India. Jute, handicraft items. Groundnut oil is edible oil. Zaid crop, watermelon, cucumber. What is the main support of Indian economy? Agriculture. Which farm products are in demand today? Organic. Which crop grows more in South Gujarat and Saurashtra? Sugarcane. Whose objective is to increase agricultural yield? Green revolution. In which region Bhalia wheat is produced in Gujarat? Bhal region. Which crop grows more in hilly region? Maize. Which is the main source of protein? Pulses. By which name is finger millet known in Gujarat? Bauta. Which type of crop is mustard? Rabi crop. On what basis type of farming are classified in India? Farming types are classified according to irrigation methods, farm outputs, economic return, etc. In which type of farming importance is given to economic return? Therefore, it is also called as commercial farming. In intensive farming, importance is given to economic return. Therefore, it is also called as commercial farming. Which farming methods are famous in India? Organic farming, sustainable farming and mixed farming methods are famous in India. As per seasons in India, into which categories agricultural crops can be divided? As per seasons in India, the agricultural crops can be divided into three categories: Kharif crop, Rabi crop and Zaid crop. What is the peculiarity of food grain for India? In India, food grains are cultivated about 75% of the total area shown, and about 50% of the total production comes from grain. Which type of wheat is produced in Bhal region of Gujarat? Bhalia wheat is produced in the Bhal region of Gujarat. Why is wheat called the king of grains? Among all grains, wheat is the most nutritious. That is why wheat is also called as the king of grains. Which are the main coarse grains grown in India? Jowar, bajra, maize and barley are major coarse grain grown in India. In which district of Gujarat jowar is grown maximum? Jowar is grown maximum in Surat and Tapi district of Gujarat. Why is use of maize increased as industrial product? Maize contains starch, oil, protein, biofuel, etc. So it is used more as industrial product. Where are oil seeds used? After edible oil is extracted from the oil seeds, the remaining oil cake is used as animal fodder and also as biotic manure. Which is the favorable condition for coconut farming? Coconut is a plantation crop of hot and humid coastal and saline land. The use of which oil is increased as edible oil in present days. In present days, the oil from cotton seed, sunflower, paddy and maize are used increasingly as edible oils. Which region of Karnataka is famous for more production of coffee? Korg region of Karnataka is famous for more production of coffee. In which regions of Gujarat more sugarcane is grown? Sugarcane is grown more in South Gujarat and Saurashtra. Which products are made from jute? Jute cloth, gunny bags, mattresses, ropes, bags, footwears, handicrafts item, etc. are made from jute. Which things are made from sugarcane? Sugar, khansari, gur and ethanol are produced from sugarcane. In which medicinal and species crops Gujarat ranks first in the world? Gujarat ranks first in the crops like cumin, fennel seeds and isabgol in the world. In which medicinal and species crops Gujarat and crops production and export India leads? India leads in the production and export of dried coriander, fenugreek, mustard, soa and ajwain. Which medicinal crops are included in Gujarat? Ashwagandha, tulsi, karyatu, mindhavali, white muesli, madhuhuna, shani, ashok, garmal, lindi, peeper, galo, aloe vera, etc. are included as medicinal crops in Gujarat. Which flavored crops are included in Gujarat? Mint, menthol, panrosa, lemongrass, etc. are included as flavored crops in Gujarat. Which fodder crops are grown in Gujarat? Various types of fodder crops like dharaf, anjan, marcel, shaniar and jinjo, hemta and klataria are grown in Gujarat. Where is Agricultural University located in Gujarat? Agricultural University are located at Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand and Navsari in Gujarat. Which institutes are operational in research in agriculture field at national level? The institutes like ICAR and DARE are operational in agricultural field. India is an agrarian country. Organic farm products are more in demand, so the farmers also get a good return. India stands second in the world after China in paddy production. Wheat is the rabi crop of temperate zone. Banaskantha in Gujarat leads in the production of millet and sesame. Maize is the most grown crop in the world after paddy and wheat. Nagli is a staple food of the Adivasi people in hilly region. Tobacco consumption is harmful to health. Mint, menthol, panrosa, lemongrass, etc. are included as flavored crops. In fruit production, India ranks second after China. New agricultural researches and new techniques are conveyed to the farmers in the villages by Gram Seva. Recent information and guidance are provided to farmers through agricultural fairs in Gujarat. The disparity among the landowners has been removed by Land Ceiling Act. Farmers are given full insurance protection of their crops through Prime Minister Crop Insurance Scheme. Gujarat Cooperative Oilseeds Growers Federation is known as GROFED, growth